Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Lyft Pink to get free updates. So to use Lyft Pink to get free updates, what you're gonna have to do is when you book a ride, Lyft Pink members automatically receive free upgrades to priority pickup, which matches you with closer drivers for faster arrival times. You will see reduced rates on premium rides type XL, Extra Comfort, Black SUV, automatically applied in the app, saving an average of $23 per month. Now, annual members receive 12 free bike or scooter unlocks per year, and all members receive unlimited 45 minutes classic bike rides, which also varies by city. Members get up to 3 cancelled rides per month for free if rebooked within 15 minutes. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next video.